Hey teacher friends, let's start by going to the app launcher and choosing the Chrome Canvas app. This is your advanced drawing tool built into a Chromebook. Let's go ahead and get started with just adding a new drawing. This gives us a canvas space with different types of drawing tools and erasers. You can choose from one of the pre-made colors or choose your own. You can change the pen or pencil width or transparency so that you can really get in here and doodle away. It is amazing what students show when we leave it open-ended for them to create. What I really like about the Canvas app is that you can add extra layers. You can even color the background image or leave it transparent so that students can make their very own clip art. You can also do a drawing by starting with an image. When you add this image, it locks it into the background so that you can annotate on top of it. Now go ahead and pinch into the screen so that you can zoom right in to add your annotations. So here I'll use the pencil tool and I want to come in here and label our 13 colonies. Now, you may have done this before under a document camera, but this allows us to keep all the artistic styles and options that Canvas has to offer. So let's say I've gone ahead and labeled all 13 colonies. I'm going to go up to that layer tool, add another layer so that we can look at another component of this map. Now I want to color code the 3 different regions. So again, the benefit of all the art and colors that you have of a drawing app, even though this would usually be a worksheet on paper. I know, my artistic skills can't be beat. But here's where the layers are really awesome because you can toggle them on and off. So the benefit of this is that you can store it for later and use it to match for studying. You can use it for retrieval practice, general review. When you're done, click 3 dots to save as image and it will take whatever layers you still have turned on.